Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with trading SpaceX on BitMEX. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official BitMEX website right here, bitmex.com, if you have not already. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can go ahead and open up the App Store and search for BitMEX. From there we can get started after installing it, but the process is going to go the same, doesn't matter which platform you're on. So once you've done this, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, right here in the upper right corner you're going to use the sign up option to go ahead and sign up for an account. If you have one, you can go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page. From this main page we can get started right here at the top of the screen. We can get started with using the markets and the trading section, but as you can see here we have the futures trading and the TradFi perps that's going to enable us to trade stocks, commodities and so on that you can use for searching for SpaceX. From here you can get started using the search button and finding SpaceX. As you can see right here, it is immediately on the main page where you can get started buying SpaceX USDT. So just like this you can get started with trading once you've created your account, but currently SpaceX is not live in the public round and is currently only in the private equity round, so you cannot easily get into it. But this is how to get started trading on BitMEX using their spot fee trading feature with USDT that's going to enable you to get into any asset stock. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.